Hi guys, Cynthia here, and today we're doing the last minute 5 top items that you can get here at Lowe's for your favorite gardener. And we are in front of my favorite thing here at Lowe's. Yesterday I did the Home Depot one, and I will link everything below. It is last minute, so I suggest you head to your store to see if you have any of these items. And everything that I'm bringing up in this video is stuff that I have, that I've tried, that I love. So I'm not suggesting it just because it's something like that is cool or whatever. It's something that I'm using and that literally works for me. So I'm gonna turn you guys around and show you everything. It's cold. Okay, so this first item is for someone you are super close with. Your mom, your dad, your cousin, your uncle, your chosen family, your wife, your husband, whoever it is, someone you truly love, because it is not a cheap item. This is a no-dig fence, and you guys know that I have this from my vegetable garden. Each panel, so it's a 4x4, it's 4 foot high, 4 foot wide, is $55. So of course you would have to, measure everything out and decide what or how many pieces you're going to need. With these, you are going to need these posts. These are the no dig posts. These posts themselves are $14.48. So like I said, it is for someone you truly love. And the kind that I have is the Grand XL Empire one. So these are the posts. This is the fence. The post fits through the holes. Anyway, it's a whole to-do. It has all of what you need to do right on the piece of paper. Super simple to follow, nothing too hard. There is a cheaper version. This one up here is $39.98, where this one is $55.08. And this one is 40 inches high and 48 inches wide. And the one down here is, let's see, 45 inches high and 54 inches wide. So just a little bit bigger. I really like it. You guys know it's around my vegetable garden. You will also need a gate. So here is the gate. The gates are $61. Again, this is for someone you really love. And if you have a problem with, animals or deer or anything like that, or even your own dog or whatever, this is by far the best gift. Now let's go inside. I'm freezing, and I'll show you the next best thing you can get for your gardener. Before we go inside, I need to show you this wand. I have this wand, you guys know it. I think I mentioned it in several videos. I bought this wand this summer, and I bought another one so that I can have it. This wand right here, which is amazing. I love it so much. I think that one is the $19 one. Nope, I don't know. Orbit Max wand, 16-inch, 8 patterns. No, yeah, this is the $19 one. I highly recommend. What I like about it is that it has this like movable neck that makes it easy to water things. And because it's so long, let me pull one out. It's so long that you can be far away from a plant. I'm sorry about the noise, guys. I'm at Lowe's. You can be far away from a plant. You don't have to bend over, strain your back, or anything like that. Hold on, guys. Sorry about that, guys. I was just saying that this wand is so long that if you are of not good mobility, or you're just caring for your back, this is such a good wand. You can see I'm very far away. You can get to the root. You don't have to water over any of the leaves. You never want to do that, by the way. Watering over leaves can cause fungus and mildew and all the things, so you definitely want to do this. And I'll show you what I love about it is because of the neck, you can just tap it on the ground like that, and it'll like move however you want it. You see that? It's amazing. I love it. I have 2 of these. The water pressure is amazing. I had a hose that did not have good water pressure, and then I put this on, and it was amazing. Yeah, so yeah, this is a 36-inch one, so this one is less than $20. Great gift for your gardener. Probably my favorite wand that I have. All right, moving on. Let's go inside now. So next item for your gardener, I absolutely love, and you guys saw me use these all last year. These what are they? The Jiffy pots. They're so great. You get 15. There's so many. I love these. I started all of my zinnias in here, my sunflowers, and just a tip. When you have these, you want to always keep water at the bottom because they are made of the peat. they will dry out quickly, and if you keep them in water, it's going to break down a lot faster. So I suggest you know, filling up a tray and like putting them down and just keeping water at the bottom. I love these, and it makes it so that you don't have to have like, you know, these pesky things, or even if you get the nice ones, like I have a few really nice ones, if you don't want to deal with all that, you don't have to. You can just get these, and I know that they make them in like smaller than these, but look at, like, this is a lot of seeds. I love them. They disintegrate. You don't have to worry about it. I know a lot of people have issues with using them or whatever, but I really highly recommend. Also super affordable. You can get a ton in all different sizes. You can get the trays and the 3-inch and the 5-inch ones, and you're still under $15. And if you wanted to, like, be like, hey, you could also add some seeds, like, you know, if you know what they like to eat, or even salad. People love salad. You can do that. You can, anyway, pair it with some seeds. You can do a cute little basket, and I'm telling you, a gardener will love it. I know I would love it, because I absolutely love these, and you can't go wrong with seeds, especially if you get something that they like. And they have a ton of different types of seed, or if you wanted to get them flowers, you know, if you don't know what they want to eat, if you think of something like, oh, I know they like sunflowers, or they like petunias, or whatever it may be, you pair it up with that. You can make a quick, easy basket. So that's 3. Now let's move on to number 4. So here we are at number 4. This one is a little pricey, actually a lot of pricey, but I think it's totally worth it. This right here is the Dump Cart Gorilla large, huge cart, and I absolutely love it. I have one. I think the size, no, I think I have that one. I can't remember the size I have. It's either that one, no, because I have the tiny one and then I have that one. So this is the one that I have. 10 out of 10 recommend a Gorilla cart, or you can get even a Gorilla, like, whatever this one's called. What is this one called? I'm not sure. Well, I guess it's still a cart, but it's a kind of a wheelbarrow cart, right? Because it doesn't have the wheels, like all 4 wheels. But I highly recommend a Gorilla cart for your gardener. I recommend the one that they can just like pull, you know, by hand with the 4 wheels. There is a smaller version, but you can see that it has sold out because people are probably buying them for Christmas, because why wouldn't you? But I'm sure that your local Lowe's will have it. This Gorilla cart changes everything, you guys. When I tell you, if something is heavy, if you're unloading your car from having all these plants and you bring your Gorilla cart, it is so life-changing. Life-changing, I'm telling you. 10 out of 10, highly recommend getting your loved one a Gorilla cart. I'm sure you can get these at Home Depot too, but you know, they have them here, and I love my Gorilla carts. I don't know what I would do without them. Also, I've had my Gorilla carts for a long time, actually, and even the one I've had for, I don't know, over 6, it'll be 7 years, I think I've had it, still in good shape. I lost like there was like a screw, and I just bought another one. Really, it didn't do anything different. It's so durable. The wheels are so like heavy duty. I'm telling you, I put so much more weight than I probably should. If you're lugging rocks, if you're lugging mulch, because you know you get the mulch sales here, the Gorilla cart is definitely a huge gift. Now they have a ton of different types of Gorilla carts. Please don't feel like you have to get the really big one. They have so many different types. They even have the cobalt ones, but I'm only talking Gorilla because it's the one that I have and the one that I know works well. This is item number 4? Yeah, this is item number 4. Okay, now let's go to the last item. The next thing I want to talk about is for, you know, a older gardener. You know, the one that wants to sit on their porch and watch the beautiful birds go by. I think that, you guys know I have a birdhouse tree. I think a birdhouse tree would be really pretty. I actually have this here for, my gosh, you know, you guys know what I'm talking, hummingbirds. Wow, that was a brain fart. I have this one here, but they have this really pretty hand-blown one that's only $11.97, and the nectar is here so that they don't have to worry about doing the sugar water themselves if you're concerned about that. But this is for your older gardener, I think, and I love watching the birds. I sit around, watch the birds. They have beautiful bird houses. They have the Nectar, and they have these really pretty glass hummingbird feeders, and they have all the food also, like the seeds and everything like that, if you want to just hook them up. Basically, you can do a really pretty basket of hummingbird feeder, some nectar, a little house, and you can even, if you wanted to, get one of these feeders, which I love. I have one of these, and these you can put, you know, those bricks, or the bricks, these bricks here, and you can see they're only $1.98. And you can get all different types, and I think it's a really great present, especially for an older gardener in your life, because they just want to sit and relax in their garden, and you can get them something that will attract beautiful birds to their garden. But they, like you can see, they have just all kinds of things. Look at that. Just everything you can think of for birds, they have. And yeah, I think that's my top 5 gifts. I want to go back to the seedling section because I want to talk to you guys a little bit about what you can do with that gift. On my way to the seedling section, I did want to have a number 6 item. I know I did 6 yesterday at Home Depot, so I want to do 6 here at the Lowe's. I absolutely love these. These will keep all of your pots off of your deck, off your rocks, wherever you have a potted plant. It'll keep it off the ground, and it'll make it easier for you to move it around if you have to move it away from the sun, towards the watering can, whatever you want to do, or the you know, the faucet. This makes it so easy. They have it in all different colors. They have the white, the black. They're cast iron, really super heavy. They are $24.98, but definitely worth it. And if you have bigger pots, you can see they have the larger ones than I'm down there. I'm telling you, they're totally worth it. I have everything on my deck on wheels. Just makes it so much easier and really pretty, and it's going to protect whatever surface that you have any kind of pots on. I think it's totally necessary. All right, let's go this way. And I kind of want to talk to you a little bit about, you know, if you decide to do the whole seedling thing, if you do a basket, which I think would be really sweet, right? If you do a basket, you can do the peat moss, you can pick out a veggie or a flower, and always just throw in some soil. I mean, you don't have to do that soil, but a cute little bag of soil, each size of the peat moss, and a seedling packet. That is so cute. I would totally enjoy that as a gardener. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I absolutely love Lowe's. I love Home Depot too. There's just great items for your gardener in both stores. Again, it's a quick little video because, you know, it's overwhelming when you have like 30 or more things. I think top 5 is probably the best to go, or top 6, because let's be honest, I did 6. I did not do 5, but I will link everything below. I hope you guys have a happy holiday, and next week I will be taking the weekend off, obviously, to spend with my family, but I will see you the week after that for the new year. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I would love to have you, and if you like the video, like it. It really helps me out a lot. And remember, if you didn't get it done today, there is always tomorrow. Thanks for watching.